Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to, on your Galaxy Watch, how to adjust the brightness. Alright, so just in case you want to adjust the brightness, for example, it might be an auto brightness, but it has decided to turn the brightness down a tad little bit too low. It's easy to readjust or fix the problem. Alright, so in order to do that, go ahead and swipe down from the top of the screen, from the main screen. If you're not here, you can always go ahead and swipe down. All right, so once you swipe down from the main screen, to find the brightness slider, slide over, and of course you'll see it right there. All right, so tap the brightness. All right, so you'll find the brightness control. You can adjust it right here. So you can adjust it all the way around for maximum and bring it back to this side for minimum. All right, remember that messing with the brightness will affect the battery life. All right, so of course once you're finished, you can swipe away, and of course once you swipe away, it will return to the normal menu as seen there. You can also access it through settings. So I could go to settings, and of course I could go down, and once I'm in settings, I could go down to display, and of course you'll see the brightness slider there as well. And in this case, you can go ahead and turn on auto brightness. So if I turn on auto brightness, it will automatically adjust itself to the ambient room lighting. But just in case it's not working, as we said, you can turn it off. So mine is off. All right, so that's how to turn that's how to adjust the brightness, and showing you as well another way to get to it, as well as how to use that feature. All right, so I do hope this was useful as to adjusting the brightness on your Galaxy Watch. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.